Roblox error 905 usually occurs when users try to connect to Roblox, which indicates an account or connection problem. This error code prevents users to play games after linking their game and Xbox Live account on Roblox. This guide has some simple steps, and these steps will help to fix this error code. Method 1. Check the sign-in details. Make sure to have your account details correctly set. If you forgot your password or you're not sure that it is correct, reset your password and attempt to sign in again. Method 2. Verify the Xbox server status. If the Xbox servers are down, you won't be able to connect to your account. Go to the Microsoft website and check the Xbox server status. Method 3. Check Roblox servers. Similar to the Xbox servers, checking the Roblox server status is important. Check the server status to see recent server reports. Here you can see all the recent issues and what type of errors users encountered. Method 4. Reinstall Roblox. Press the Xbox button greater than go to Home. Go to My Games and Apps. Select Roblox. Press the menu button on the controller greater than select Uninstall. Next, you have to reinstall Roblox back and see if the issue was fixed. Method 5. Disconnect the Roblox and Xbox accounts. Press the Xbox button greater than Open Settings. Go to Account greater than choose Unlink your gamertag. Or, access your Roblox account on the Roblox website. Under Xbox, open the Security tab greater than click Disconnect.